Look at those dark clouds. Real cold air. 52 degrees. We're going to get some rain. And we may even get more rain on Monday. Look at all that. Yep, you can see where the sun's trying to shine through the sky. Looks like more rain. Going to be hitting Lake Smell some more. Real cold breeze, people. Look at that. That's some real cold clouds right there. May see some snow at the lower elevation, you never know. Look at that. More clouds. I heard a crack of thunder earlier, so there is some lightning. You hear that? You hear the thunder? Yeah, it's off of this direction somewheres. But, you guys may want to unplug your TVs, unhook the antenna. Lightning just don't have to unhook your antenna or the cable pole, okay? Because the ground is wet. It could probably hit the ground, a ground strike by lightning, and the voltage could travel to your TV and your other electronics. So you may want to unplug your computers and unplug your TV sets, ham radios, CB radios, shortwave radios, unhook the cable from your TV set. And take a glass jar and just stick your old TV cable in that. Okay? Yeah, you want to see something weird? Look on YouTube. Static DC. Snow static DC. Okay? Where people back east, they unhook their antennas from the radios and see the PO259. You see the spark jumping from center to ground. Yeah, that's static DC voltage buildup. Okay. Yeah, see the birds up there having fun. If they don't get zapped by some lightning. Anyhow, more rain to come. And maybe more on Monday. So, Lake Elsinore going to get more rain. Look at all that. Yep. For a while there, I was thinking we were getting cheated on rain. But you know what? We may have a wet summer this year. Alright, catch you guys later. Yeah, you may want to hook your electronics and TV cables and cable TV. Unhook your computer. All, right from the internet connection. Unplug the Cat 5 and all that stuff. I'll plug it from the wall outlet. Alright, those spike surge protectors, they don't work. I think that's just for if your electric is out, you quick flip the switch so you don't get a big voltage spike coming to your computer. So just unplug it the best way. Alright? I don't care how many joules it's rated at. Nothing's going to stop that spike.